Hello everyone, I am Vaishak Bandari and my teammate is Sinchana. As a part of our Android mini project, we have developed a Android app called Music using Android Studio. We have used the Java and the real-time storage of the Firebase as the database. Music is basically a online music streaming app with all the basic music player functionalities, and you can also upload the songs to the real time database, and you can also retrieve them in real time and play them. You can see our app over here. Let us get into our app. This is our home page. You can see the list of songs which are already stored in our database, and you can play them by just tapping onto them. You can pause, you can move to the next song, you can shuffle, and you can do all the basic stuffs. You can also play them in the background. You can just check out here. Here we have the option to play in the background. You can change the next songs. Now you can see a small icon and in the top right corner. This is basically used to upload the songs to the database. This asks for the basic permission to get the media access on your device. Just let's give allow. Now let us press once again. Yes, now you can add the song over here. You can add the album name, artist name, and the thumbnail of the song here. If we have not selected any songs and if we try to upload it, it just throws you a error like please select a song. Now let us select a song. Let us go to the audios. We have a small beat, something like this, and let us add some artist name like Andy someone, and we can also add a thumbnail over here. We have a picture of here, and let us upload. We have added a progress bar which shows us the percentage how much it has uploaded. Yes, it has been uploaded, and you can check here. You can see in the real time here the song which we have uploaded has appeared. Now let us check. Let's play this. Yes, this app is basically used to store the song in the database and play them whenever you want. This is our app. Thank you.